So register, they have already seen a resistor in electronics unit. Now we'll see the concept of resistance in series and parallel in electrical part. So we are already knowing that resistor is device or the component which introduces opposition to the flow of electrons. Correct? Means suppose electrons are moving, the hurdle which is provided by the flow of electrons is the resistance or the property is resistance. Now we know that resistance is given by R is equal to rho L upon A, where rho is the property of the material, L is the length of the material, and the A is the cross-sectional area of the material. Okay, so
Okay, so resistor we know, resistance we know. Now we'll see the resistors and resistances in series and parallel. Okay, so let me share screen for it. So as you can see, here, the diagram is shown over here. Let the screen sharing start in clear. Is screen visible to all? The screen I have shared is visible to all. Screen दिसते का सगळ्यांना? Okay. Now see, this is resistor 1. Okay, here. This is resistor 2. And this is the nth of resistor. Now, we know that every resistor, suppose this is the resistor. Okay, we know the symbol of resistor. If this is resistor, resistor has two terminals, terminal number 1, terminal number 2. So two terminals are there for the resistor. If I take two resistors like this, okay, if two terminals are taken, now what I will do, the terminal number 2 of 1 is suppose connected to terminal number 1 of second resistor. So two resistors are there. This is resistor number 1. This is resistor number 2. Both the resistors has two terminals. 1, 2, 1. Its second terminal of first resistor is connected to the first terminal of second resistor. And likewise, if I again take the third resistor like this, say suppose this is the third resistor, okay, and again same, second terminal of second is connected to first of third, means first terminal, second terminal of first connected to first terminal of second. So likewise, when we do this configuration, okay, and this first and last are then connected, say suppose to the voltage like this. I hope it is clearly seen too. So this type of connection is called as a resistors in series. So series means पहिल्या रेजिस्टरचा दुसरा टर्मिनल आणि दुसऱ्या रेजिस्टरचा पहिला टर्मिनल like this. Okay, this first resistor connected to second resistor like this. Okay, again the third resistor will be connected here on the left side of the second. Again fourth resistor. So likewise, if this is resistor 1, this is resistor 2, if this is resistor 3, if this is resistor 4. So only one terminal of every is connected to another. म्हणजे प्रत्येकाच्या दोन टर्मिनल पैकी फक्त एकच टर्मिनल दुसऱ्या रेजिस्टरला कनेक्टेड आहे. So this configuration is called as resistance in series or resistors in series. Okay, so I hope it is clear that what is meant by resistors in series, what is meant by resistors in parallel. So now see, we know that R is equal to, we know that resistance is given by R is equal to rho L upon A. This same formula we have studied in your unit number 4, that is electronic section. Okay, R is resistance, rho is the property of the material, L is the length of the wire. आपण रेजिस्टन्सचे 3 टाइप पाहिले होते, बरोबर. वायर माउंट रेजिस्टर, कार्बन फिल्म रेजिस्टर, बरोबर, मेटल फिल्म रेजिस्टर, करेक्ट. So these resistors has some length of the material. So L is the length, A is the cross sectional area, correct. So R is equal to rho L upon A. Now R1, R2, R3, likewise all resistances will be connected in series. So resistor 1, as you can see, this is resistor 1. It has resistance R1. म्हणजे काही 100 ओहम, 110 ओहम, 1000 ओहम, 1000 ओहम म्हणजे 1 किलो ओहम, like that. Any value can be there. त्याला काही पण व्हॅल्यू असू शकते. Similarly, R2 resistor will has resistance of R2. R2 हा त्याचा रेजिस्टन्स व्हॅल्यू असेल. तिसऱ्या रेजिस्टरला R3 हा रेजिस्टन्स असेल. फोर्थ रेजिस्टरला R4 एवढा रेजिस्टन्स असेल. लाईकवाईज जर सपोज n नंबर ऑफ रेजिस्टर सिरीज मध्ये कनेक्टेड असतील, वर्ड लक्षात घ्या, इफ all resistors are connected in series, then this is terminal number 1 and this is terminal number 2. हा 1 बॅटरीच्या पॉझिटिव्ह टर्मिनलला आहे आणि हा 2 बॅटरीच्या निगेटिव्ह टर्मिनलला कनेक्टेड आहे थ्रू वायर. वायरचा रेजिस्टन्स निग्लेक्ट करा. थोडासा रेजिस्टन्स असतो पण तो ओहम्स मध्ये असतो. 1 ओहम, 2 ओहम किंवा 2.5 ओहम एवढा रेजिस्टन्स निग्लेक्ट करावा लागतो. सो असं कन्सिडर करा, टोटल n नंबर ऑफ रेजिस्टर्स हे कनेक्टेड असतील 1 आणि 2 मध्ये, बरोबर. मग ह्या 1 आणि 2 टर्मिनलचा जो काही रेजिस्टन्स असेल, combined total resistance of these two terminals is given by this formula. R total is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus, म्हणजे जेवढे रेजिस्टर्स या सिरीज मध्ये कनेक्ट असतील सगळे रेजिस्टर्सची ऍडिशन. ओके, सो रेजिस्टर्स इन सिरीज इज गिवन बाय द ऍडिशन ऑफ ऑल द रेजिस्टन्स which are connected in series. मग जर सपोज 3 रेजिस्टन्स कनेक्टेड असतील तर तिन्ही रेजिस्टन्स R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3. 5 रेजिस्टन्स कनेक्टेड असतील तर R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3 प्लस R4 प्लस R5. So like by this, total 5 resistors will be connected in series. Okay, R1 to R5, and the addition of it will be the total resistance. Get it? So I hope it is clear. Please reply me fast whether it is clear or not. So we can move on to the next topic. Is it clear? Rishi? Whether it is clear? Okay. I will move on to another point. Okay. Say, now what is this connection? Now we'll forget this circuit first of all. Then we'll first of all see that suppose this is one resistor. This is resistor number 1. This is another resistor. Resistor number 2. Forget its resistance value. आपण फक्त आता resistor आहे असा विचार करतो. So every resistor has two terminals. Okay. बघा आपण मागच्या केस मध्ये काय केलं होतं. 3 रेजिस्टर होते. पहिल्या रेजिस्टरचा दुसरा टर्मिनल हा दुसऱ्याच्या पहिल्याला असा कनेक्ट केला. सो दिस इज द सिरीज कनेक्शन. बघा याला म्हणतात सिरीज कनेक्शन. म्हणजे प्रत्येक रेजिस्टरचा एकच टर्मिनल दुसऱ्या रेजिस्टरला कनेक्टेड होतो. बरोबर. म्हणजे याचा एक टर्मिनल याला, याचा एक टर्मिनल तिसऱ्याला. बरोबर. पण आता बघा जर मी कॉम्बिनेशन थोडं चेंज केलं, प्रत्येकाला टर्मिनल नंबर 1 टर्मिनल नंबर 2 आहे. बरोबर. इफ आय कनेक्ट ऑल one terminal of all resistor together and all terminal number 2 of all resistor together like this. So what? This connection is called as a parallel connection. म्हणजे सगळ्या रेजिस्टरचा टर्मिनल नंबर 1 सगळ्या रेजिस्टरचा टर्मिनल नंबर 2 हे कॉमनली कनेक्ट केले. क्रॉस मध्ये नाही, झिगझॅग मॅनर मध्ये नाही. So this configuration is called as a resistors in parallel. Resistors in parallel. So I hope the concept of parallel is clear now. I think you have studied in physics also what is meant by resistors in series and parallel. So I hope it is clear. Now if first resistor has resistance R1, second resistor has resistance R2, third resistor has resistance R3, so on. Total n resistors are connected between 2 wire in parallel configuration. Parallel word is very important. Parallel मध्ये काय करतो, सगळ्यांचा पहिला टर्मिनल कॉमन, दुसरा टर्मिनल. सिमिलरली रेजिस्टर्स जर पॅरलल मध्ये 3 रेजिस्टर कनेक्ट केले तर तिघांचा टोटल रेजिस्टन्स या 2 पॉइंट मध्ये जो काही रेजिस्टन्स असेल त्याचा फॉर्म्युला आहे 1/R total is equal to 1/ resistance 1 ची व्हॅल्यू प्लस 1/ resistance 2 ची व्हॅल्यू प्लस 1/ resistance 3 ची व्हॅल्यू. बरोबर. सो दिस इज द केस. इफ सपोज तुम्हाला ऍक्च्युअल फॉर्म्युला जर बघायचा असेल देन द रेजिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला, द टोटल R total will be equal to R total is equal to R total is equal to multiplication of all the resistors R1 into R2 into R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Correct. So the total resistance between this is given by R1 into R2 into R3 upon R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is nothing but simplification of this formula. हा जो फॉर्म्युला इथे ड्रॉ केलाय त्याचा सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आहे. ओके. So R total is given by this formula. You can use this formula also, or you can use this formula. So any formula depending upon your convenience. So answer will be same. जर 4 resistors असतील, R total will be multiplication of 4 resistors divided by addition of 4 resistors. Okay? So like this. Getting? Now what we'll do? We'll see one simple examples in a series connection as well as in parallel connection. So what we'll do? We'll take it out again. So suppose one circuit is there. Suppose these two resistors are there which are connected in series. One resistance is having one resistor having resistance 3 ohm, second resistor having resistance 2 ohm, and positive terminal, negative terminal connected like this, and the direction of current flow is supposed like this. So the important thing is that calculate the value of current. So we know that V is equal to IR by the law of Ohm, correct? But we don't have the final value of R. So what we'll do? We'll calculate R total. So R total is see the formula. R total for series is R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 like Rn. So what we'll do? We are having two resistance, so we will add two resistance. So its value will be 5 ohm, 5 ohm. So now I will be equal to V divided by R. So V is 10 volt divided by R is 5 ohm. So the answer is 2 ampere. So the current will be equal to 2 ampere. Very simple. So like by this, if total 10 resistors are in series, 5 resistors are in series, then you have to simplify it. Okay. Similarly, if suppose one circuit is here, see, resistor is connected like this, and voltage is connected here like this. Suppose here the voltage is 6 volt. This first resistor is 3 ohm, second resistor is 3 ohm, correct? So again, R total is equal to two resistors are there. So formula will be R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So 3 into 3, it is 9 divided by 6. So the resistance will become 1.5 ohm. Resistance will become 1.5 ohm. So again, I is equal to V divided by R. V is how much? It is 6 volt. R is 1.5 volt. Sorry, resistance is 1.5 ohm. So the current will be ampere. So in case of